welcome to our biotechnology video. Before we begin, let's introduce ourselves.
I'm Glenn. My name is Vincent.
My name is Eduard.
Vanessa. I'm Ivana.
And I'm Nathania.
So, you might be wondering what biotechnology is. It's when we use the help of science to create a product such as a food. And today we will be using biotechnology to create a food. Something that is light, delicious, nutritious, and you can bring it anywhere. So, what did our team decide to pick? Well, we decided to choose Tempeh.
Tempeh. Tempeh is a typical Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans or several other ingredients using several types of Rhizopus mold, such as Rhizopus oligosporus, Rhizopus oryzae, etc. By the way, where does tempeh come from? Tempeh specifically comes from Central Java and East Java, Indonesia.
However, our tempeh is a little bit different. Why? Because instead of make with beans, we make with red rice.
You may ask, what ingredients and tools will we use in making tempeh this time? So now, we will answer it. So first, we need 500 grams of brown rice,
a bag of tempeh yeast,
500 gram plastic, 2 plates, 3 spoons,
teaspoon,
skewer sticks,
a candle, and a lighter. The process begins with washing the red rice thoroughly under running water to remove impurities. Clean grains create the ideal environment for fermentation. Rinse until the water runs clear, ensuring the rice is ready for the next step.
Once the rice has cooled, evenly sprinkle 1 teaspoon of tempeh starter over 500 grams of red rice. Then, gently mix it to ensure the spores spread thoroughly, setting the stage for proper fermentation. Then, use 500 grams of plastic that has been prepared as a place for fermenting tempeh.
Now, carefully transfer the red rice, portion by portion, into the plastic bag. Ensure an even distribution before sealing it securely using a lit candle.
And then, glue it carefully and slowly to ensure even addition. Now comes the most exciting step, piercing the tempeh package. We make holes in 2 directions, on the top and bottom, before fermentation. This allows airflow inside, ensuring even tempeh growth. Next, transfer the wrapped tempeh to a container to maintain an optimal fermentation temperature of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. After we skewer the tempeh and ferment it for 2 to 3 days, here are the results. Let's first cut through the center of the tempeh to closely examine its texture. The white layer covering the tempeh is a mold called Rhizopus, a microorganism responsible for the fermentation process.
We use red rice so that there is more unique taste as well as provide a few more nutritious value.
The challenges we face include the high price of brown rice. This is usually cost 40,000 rupiah. The fermentation result is often failed because they were not stirred evenly, and the tempeh yeast did not mix it well. And the limited time for group work is due to being a long holidays like Chinese New Year's and Eid al-Fitr. Some of us are also face difficulties of participating in a group work. This is due to being a distance from home, a long distance from home. And the distractions like cell phones, games, and TikTok is also cause the failure of our tempeh fermentation.
So, what nutrients are contained in our tempeh?
Yes, our tempeh contains vitamin B1, B2, B3, and also B6 that can increase our function of brain and kidneys.
Then, what are the economic benefits if it is traded?
Wow, this tempeh sure tastes great. If I were to sell it, the economy would have noticeable effect. So people will rush to buy our tempeh because how delicious it is, as well as the fact that there is less sugar due to us using red rice. And so many people on their diet can enjoy their snack.
1, 2, 3. This is the documentation that we did for our red tempeh. Before reaching this point, we had conducted a lot of research and analysis. And the key for discovering the idea for red tempeh was after failure while trying to reach perfection. We would like to say thanks to the teachers who are a part of this project: Sir Juro, Miss Desti, Sir Marudut, Sir Sukma, and Miss Navi for watching this video. We are the Red Tempeh founders, and we will be signing off. Thank you.